Men, listen up because what I'm about to share could be the turning point in your life. There are 3 harsh truths every man must learn if he wants to stop merely surviving and start truly dominating his existence. My name is Tony Robbins, and for more than 40 years, I've been in the trenches, guiding millions of people through the fires of self-doubt, fear, and limitation to create lives filled with power, purpose, and profound impact. These truths aren't sugar-coated, they're not designed to make you feel comfortable. They will sting, they will challenge every excuse you've ever made, and they will demand that you step up as the man you were born to be. But here's the reality, embracing them is the anvil upon which you forge your destiny, turning raw potential into unbreakable strength. Most men today are coasting through life, trapped in a cycle of distractions, unfulfilled promises, and quiet desperation. They avoid the mirror of truth, blaming circumstances, other people, or bad luck for their stagnation. But deep down, if you're watching this, you feel that gnawing hunger, that restless fire telling you you're capable of so much more. You're meant to lead, to create, to leave a legacy that inspires generations. Imagine waking up each day with an ironclad resolve, your actions aligned with your deepest masculine strength, building relationships, wealth, and influence that stand the test of time. In a world that constantly pulls you toward mediocrity, endless scrolling, superficial pursuits, and societal pressures, these truths are your rebellion, your path to sovereignty. At 26, I was a broken man, financially destitute, emotionally shattered, but facing these harsh realities head-on, drawing from the principles in Awaken the Giant Within and the Firewalk Intensity of Unleash the Power Within seminars, transformed me into a billionaire philanthropist impacting over 50 million lives. As I wrote in Awaken the Giant Within, it is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. This isn't theory, it's battle-tested wisdom. Today, I'll break down these 3 truths into a practical 3-step blueprint, rooted in my books and seminars like Date with Destiny. Face them now, men, your time to rise, to stop wasting potential and start claiming your power, begins right here. Let me take you back to the early 1980s, a time when my life was a chaotic storm of adversity and self-inflicted wounds. At 26, I was living in a cramped 400-square-foot apartment in Los Angeles, a dingy, roach-infested space with peeling wallpaper and a single bare bulb swinging from the ceiling, casting long shadows that mirrored the darkness in my soul. My bank account held a mere $1,038, pieced together from humiliating odd jobs, scrubbing toilets as a janitor under fluorescent lights that buzzed like my anxious thoughts, and pounding pavements in door-to-door sales, facing rejection after rejection that chipped away at my self-worth. I drove a beat-up 1972 Oldsmobile, its floor rusted through so badly I could see the asphalt blurring beneath my feet, a constant reminder of how unstable my foundation truly was. Mornings were the worst, a groggy awakening to the shrill blare of a cheap alarm clock, my body heavy with exhaustion from sleepless nights spent worrying about bills and the future. I'd drag myself out of bed, stumbling to a cracked mirror where I'd confront a stranger, hollow eyes shadowed by the scars of a turbulent childhood, abandoned by an alcoholic father at age 7, raised in a home filled with my mother's bipolar episodes, screaming matches that left emotional bruises deeper than any physical ones. Nourishment was an afterthought, a hasty gulp of lukewarm coffee loaded with sugar to mask the bitterness of my reality, or stale leftovers from a fast food bag, fueling a vicious cycle of physical depletion and mental fog. As I detail in Unlimited Power, the way we use our physiology, our posture, breathing, facial expressions, and even the quality of our nutrition, determines the emotional state we inhabit. Mine was one of utter defeat, far from any sense of masculine sovereignty or direction. The nadir came one fateful morning with a simple note left on the kitchen table from my girlfriend, Tony, you have so much potential, but you're lost in stagnation. I can't stay. Those words hit like a sledgehammer, shattering my illusions and forcing me to confront the emptiness I'd been running from. In that moment of raw pain, I recalled the profound wisdom of my mentor, Jim Rohn, which I echo throughout Awaken the Giant Within, you must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have charge of. I realized I had been avoiding the 3 harsh truths that would set me free, First, I was fully responsible for my life. No excuses, no blame. Second, action was the only currency that mattered. Without it, dreams rotted. Third, without a burning purpose, I was adrift in a sea of meaninglessness. This epiphany ignited a firestorm of change. I dove headfirst into the principles of unlimited power, adopting neuro-linguistic programming techniques to reframe my limiting beliefs and rewrite my internal dialogue. From Unleash the Power Within seminars, I mastered the triad, physiology, focus, and language, to shift my state from victim to victor. I began asking power questions every morning. What am I grateful for in this moment? What can I do right now to take absolute control of my destiny? These tools, combined with cold therapy plunges and incantations to anchor my resolve, rebuilt me from the ground up. By age 30, I had transcended poverty and pain, constructing a global empire through transformative seminars, best-selling books, and coaching programs that have touched over 50 million lives. This wasn't luck or magic, it was the deliberate embrace of those three harsh truths, refined in date with destiny's emphasis on crafting a compelling future and aligning with core values. If a young man from such humble, shattered beginnings could harness these truths to become unstoppable, imagine what you can achieve. These realities are your call to arms, your path to ending the quiet desperation and claiming the masculine power that's your birthright. Now, let's forge ahead into the core of this message, the three harsh truths every man must internalize, distilled from decades of my teachings in Awaken the Giant Within, Unlimited Power, Money, Master the Game, and seminars like Unleash the Power Within, Date with Destiny, and Business Mastery. These aren't abstract ideas, they're battle-tested principles integrating neuroscience, Stoic resilience, Eastern energetic dynamics, and quantum cognitive frameworks. Embracing them isn't optional for the man who wants to lead, it's essential. This three-step blueprint will equip you to apply them daily, creating a compounding effect that re-engineers your neural architecture, energetic field, and existential trajectory. This is your forging anvil, strike hard. Truth 1, you are fully responsible, own your reality. The first harsh truth, no one is coming to save you. Your life, its triumphs, its failures, is entirely your creation. Blame, excuses, or waiting for a handout is the path of the weak. As I emphasize in Awaken the Giant Within, you must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have charge of. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes each morning to resetting your state and owning this reality. Begin with physiology. Drink 16 to 32 ounces of purified water infused with lemon to hydrate your cells and ignite metabolic pathways. Follow with 2 to 3 minutes of cold immersion at 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, as experienced in Unleash the Power Within Firewalk seminars, to shock your system into alertness. Add 5 to 7 minutes of dynamic movement, burpees, jumping jacks, or pranayama-infused yoga flows, to flood your body with energy. Integrate the breath of fire, 30 rapid nasal exhales with arm pumps to amplify vitality. Then, shift your focus with morning power questions. What am I grateful for in my life right now? How can I take full charge of my circumstances today? Use empowering language, replace victim phrases like, "It's not my fault" with ownership statements like, "I choose my response." Rationale, this truth leverages the triad from Unlimited Power, where physiology drives emotional states. Neuroscience shows cold exposure boosts norepinephrine levels by 300%, National Institutes of Health studies, enhancing focus and resilience, while movement releases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, to promote neuroplasticity, Harvard research. Stoically, as Marcus Aurelius taught, responsibility is controlling your inner world amid external chaos. Existentially, it's claiming agency in an indifferent universe. In my seminars, this reset turns passive men into proactive leaders. During my 20s, these practices shifted me from blaming my past to owning my future, enabling 18-hour days of relentless pursuit. Sub-steps: prepare water and a timer nightly, start cold exposure at 30 seconds, increasing weekly, journal power question answers to solidify ownership, pair with music for motivation. Obstacles, falling into blame patterns. Use NLP reframing from unlimited power to pivot instantly. Ask, how can I learn from this? Low energy or resistance. Counter with the 10-day mental challenge, reject negative thoughts within seconds. A mentee I coached, once mired in victimhood after job loss, embraced this truth. Through daily state resets and responsibility ownership, he rebuilt his career, shifting from unemployed to CEO of a thriving startup within 2 years, mirroring the breakthroughs in Unleash the Power Within. This truth forges unbreakable accountability, as Awaken the Giant Within declares, the only limit to your impact is your willingness to take responsibility. Truth 2, action is your only currency, move or lose. The second harsh truth, dreams without action are delusions. Inaction erodes your masculinity, turning potential into regret. As I teach in Money, Master the Game, small, consistent actions compound into exponential results, like interest in a bank. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to initiating one bold, purpose-aligned move, send a high-stakes email to a mentor, launch a side project, or invest in skill building. Use visualization from Date with Destiny, close your eyes and vividly picture the action's successful outcome, see the response, feel the accomplishment, hear the affirmation. Anchor this empowered state with a physical gesture, like a fist clench, an NLP technique from Unlimited Power, to recall it instantly. Reflect on the action's immediate impact to build momentum for the next. Rationale, action creates neural feedback loops, reinforcing habits through dopamine rewards, Stanford studies. Behaviorally, it's the law of motion, objects in action stay in action. My daily cold calls in my early career compounded into a global network, as detailed in Business Mastery. Sub-steps, plan your action the night before using evening power questions from Awaken the Giant Within. What did I accomplish today? What one move tomorrow will propel me forward? Execute immediately after your morning routine to capitalize on peak state, journal outcomes and lessons learned to refine future steps. Obstacles, fear of failure paralyzing you. Break the action into micro steps, starting with 5 minutes, self-doubt creeping in. Anchor a past victory with your fist clenched to summon confidence. A young entrepreneur I mentored, stuck in analysis paralysis with his business idea, internalized this truth. By committing to one daily action, visualizing and acting on key partnerships, he transformed his concept into a multi-million-dollar platform within 18 months, echoing the action-oriented breakthroughs in Date with Destiny seminars. This truth is your currency, as Money, Master the Game notes, success is the result of consistent, disciplined action that compounds over time. Truth 3, purpose defines you, live your why. The third harsh truth, without a clear purpose, you're a ship without a rudder, drifting, vulnerable to every storm. Purpose is the fire that fuels a man's resilience and meaning. Spend 5 to 10 minutes anchoring this with incantations from Unleash the Power Within, stand tall, chest out, reciting with full intensity, now, I am the voice. I will lead, not follow. I will create, not destroy. Defy the odds. Step up. Repeat 10 to 15 times, syncing with breath and movement, imagining the energy of a 20,000-person seminar crowd. Integrate visualization from Date with Destiny, picture your why, the deep reason you rise each day, whether it's protecting your family, creating generational wealth, or leaving a positive mark on the world. Journal one concise sentence defining your purpose to crystallize it. Rationale, incantations reprogram subconscious beliefs, enhancing prefrontal cortex activity for focused decision-making, Stanford studies. Stoicism and Eastern traditions view purpose as aligning with the universe's flow. My purpose to empower others drove me through failures. Sub-steps, craft phrases personalized to your values, deliver in a private space with a mirror for intensity, write your why and review it daily. Obstacles, purpose feeling vague. Reflect on what ignites your passion, as in Date with Destiny's values clarification exercise, inconsistency. Tie incantations to your morning routine for habit formation. A man I guided, wandering aimlessly in his 30s after a career setback, embraced this truth. Through daily incantations and purpose clarity, he evolved from lost to a community leader, founding an organization that mentors young men, much like participants in Unleash the Power Within who discover their calling. This truth anchors your soul, as Awaken the Giant Within declares, purpose is the ultimate fuel for action and endurance. This expanded blueprint, responsibility, action, purpose, is your anvil to forge masculine power, ending the drift and igniting your legacy. From a broken young man staring at rock bottom to a global force shaping millions of lives, these three harsh truths, interwoven from Awaken the Giant Within, Unlimited Power, Money, Master the Game, and seminars like Unleash the Power Within and Date with Destiny, halted my drift and forged my unbreakable legacy. Men, you're squandering your potential if you evade them any longer. Take absolute responsibility for every aspect of your reality, act with relentless discipline and consistency, and live your purpose with an unquenchable fire. Dive deep into my books, attend my seminars, apply this blueprint starting today. Your time to rise as a man of true power, influence, and fulfillment begins right now. Become unstoppable, your destiny demands it.